If it wasn't for racing, there wouldn't be a company. I mean, that's our roots. That's where we figure out what the problems are. That's why we stay out here. If you're not actively participating, how do you get exposed to the problems? So there are a lot of companies out there that duplicate and imitate and knock other companies off, and we don't do that. When we create a product, we're solving a problem. Our technology group is second to none. We're running different systems than everybody else. We're trying new things that nobody ever tried before. And again, what's really rewarding about that is that it emulates what we do at our company, at Aeromotive. It's all about innovation. It's all about trying what nobody else tried.